Let's spend a little bit of time talking about how retainers work. So before we get started, the key document that explains and governs how legal fees and retainers work with us is your engagement agreement. This video isn't a substitution for your engagement agreement. That's specific to you. This is just a general overview designed to help you. If you have any questions about that engagement agreement, just let us know. We welcome the opportunity to review it with you again on us. Just say the word. Now, on to retainers. Okay, first, what is a retainer? So as a reminder, a retainer is an upfront deposit that you pay to a law firm. At Freed Marcroft, we take that payment and we put it in trust for you. It isn't an estimate of your total legal fees, it's a deposit. So what that means is we take that deposit and then the time that your legal team, like your lawyers and your paralegals, spend on your case, plus things like court expenses, filing fees, those are put on an invoice and deducted from the retainer amount that you have on deposit. All charges against your retainer are detailed in the invoices that we send to you. So you'll be up to speed both on what's happening on your case and also on how we're spending our time to move you forward towards your goals. Now let's talk about what happens as your case moves forward and your retainer funds get used. So generally speaking, when you spend about half of your retainer funds, you'll be asked to bring the balance back up or replenish your retainer. As with everything, the specifics of this are all contained in your engagement agreement. And again, you'll receive frequent invoices from us. That way, you know what's going on and where you stand, so you can prepare in advance for a retainer replenishment. Finally, the two most important things you need to know. Number one, your funds will be in an account for you and they will remain your funds held in trust until we invoice against those funds. Number two most important thing, any and all retainer funds that remain at the conclusion of our work for you will be refunded to you. Thank you again for your trust. We welcome any questions that you have along the way.